Hello everyone, welcome back to our page. So take a cloth, mark the lines over it as we are doing here. Make the patterns like this. Now you can draw the lines with the help of the scale. Now again you have to cut it like this from the top using the scissor, cut out the cloth. Now again make a space like this so you will get this beautiful dress. Next is you have to take a cloth, fold it like this and then cut it with the help of the scissor. Now you have to remove the extra part from the sides. Cut it from the bottom. Now you have to open it and then make its border like this. Now you have to fold it like this and make this beautiful knot on the top. And it's ready. Next you have to take the red color cloth, fold it like this and cut it. Now separate the cloth. Now you have to cut it from the top and then you have to draw this line and then again cut it. Now we have to open it and then fold it from the sides. Now fold it and fix it like this. Now make its collar, make its borders like this, and in the front make a pocket and it's done. Next we have to take a cloth, fold it like this and then you have to cut it from the top like this. Now after that you have to draw the lines and then cut it out. Now again open it and then you have to fold it like this. Press it from the between and make a skirt like shape and it's done. Next take a green color cloth, fold it like this by marking the lines you have to cut it. Now we have to again fold it like this. Open it and then you have to put it over another cloth. Cut it from the sides and then you have to stitch it. Now make a border like this in a line and your hat is ready. Next take a red color cloth, fold it like this. Cut it from the top. Now cut it from the sides like this. Now after that we have to cut it from the sides like this. Open it and again fold it. Now we have to stitch it like this. Now after that we have to make the pockets on the sides and your blazer is ready. I hope you liked it. Next we have to take a cloth, fold it like this after drawing the lines. Open it. Now fold it from the top and again put it over another cloth. Cut it like this and then you have to stitch them. So you can see how we have done it. Now cut it from the top like this and put a small section aside and then fix it. Now make its eyes, ears and it's done. Next take a small cloth, fold it like this and then make a sole and put it in the between and then cut it out. Now put the shoelace or the shoe sole like this over each other and then mark the lines. Now we have to cut it out as shown in the video from the sides. Remove the extra cloth. Now you have to mark the lines over it and cut it from the between. Now put them like this and stitch it. Now put them together and your beautiful shoes or socks is ready. I hope you liked it. Next you have to take a cloth, fold it like this, fold it from the sides as well. Now you have to cut it from the top, open it and then you have to fold it again from the between like this. Now cut it from the top as shown in the video. Now make the border on the downside, make its collar and it's done. Next we have to take a red color cloth like this. Now we have to fold it from the between, fold it like this, cut it from the top and then remove it. Now make a circle, fold it like this and cut it from the top to make a space like this. Now fold it from the between, fold it like this from the sides and again press it like this and it's done. Thanks for watching our video.